Journey with Little Millennium, I would like to tell you that ये शुरू हुआ था when I was 22 years of age. I come from a educational background and we have several K-12 schools in Lucknow. But then again, I wanted to start something, catch the child on a very young age.
And coming from the psychology background, early childhood education always had my interest. I explored many options in this field, and then I came across Little Millennium Preschool and I studied about their vision, their mission, their curriculum.
एज इन लिटिल मिलेनियम में कर रहे हैं एंड मुझे लगता है कि लिटिल मिलेनियम कंपनी ने हमें बहुत हेल्प की इन बिल्डिंग गुड क्वालिटी एजुकेशन फॉर द लिटिल किड्स.
It has been a great journey. The support from the team, the academics, the advertisers, everything has been very good. It has been a great experience for me, and the trainings we have been getting from them, it has been a learning experience.
Being an individual coming from a background of psychology as well, I think एक बच्चे की जो चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी होती है जिस पे फाइन मोटर, सोशो इमोशनल, कॉग्निटिव अप्रोच, एक टुगेदर एक कलेक्टिव जो डेवलपमेंट बच्चे के अंदर होना चाहिए, वो मुझे लगता है लिटिल मिलेनियम लेके आता है.
With Little Millennium was a little challenging because we were dealing with very small children, but I feel this is extremely satisfying for me. This venture has given me an opportunity to be associated with the parents, and I was so happy to be a part of their child's transition from a home to a preschool and then to the formal school.
The activities we are doing with the children are really very learning. Children don't feel anything burdenizing. They just enjoy their school. They start loving their school if they are at Little Millennium. Little Millennium gives us a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and the teachings are all through experiential learning.
We are teaching life skills also in our school through our activities.
जो एक स्कूल में चाइल्ड सेफ्टी एक बहुत ही मेजर एक पेरेंट के अंदर क्वेरी होती है कि मेरा बच्चा स्कूल के अंदर सेफ है या नहीं है. आई थिंक दैट इज़ समथिंग विच रियली मैटर्स टू एवरी पेरेंट राइट नाउ, कि अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को 2-3 घंटे के लिए भेज रहा हूँ अपने से दूर, तो क्या वो इस इन्वायरमेंट में सेफ है. तो आई थिंक वो हमने और लिटिल मिलेनियम की टीम ने, मेरी टीम ने मिलके जो एक जो इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट किया बच्चे के लिए, उसकी वजह से पेरेंट्स ने हमको ट्रस्ट किया और कहीं ना कहीं उनका बच्चा हमारे पास सेफ है.
On Mother's Day, even mothers are coming to wish me, "Ma'am, happy Mother's Day." For these 3 hours, we are happy that they are in a safe hand.
एक और सपोर्ट जहाँ पे पेरेंट को एक स्कूल की, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्कूल की ज़रूरत होती है, वो है बच्चों का फूडिंग इशू. अगर लिटिल मिलेनियम के बच्चे से आप पूछेंगे कि जंक फूड क्या है, हेल्दी फूड क्या है, तो वो बहुत ही खूबसूरती से आपको बताएगा कि अ नो इज़ अ नो, अ जंक फूड इज़ अ नो.
So the USP or the special part about Little Millennium, what I felt, is their eclectic approach. Eclectic approach means how we teach. It's not what we teach, it's how we teach.
And which makes parents satisfied कि हाँ हमारा बच्चा other than academics, other than play area, academic, sports activities के अलावा health conscious भी कहीं ना कहीं बन रहा है. So I think that is really cool.
Learning happens naturally. You cannot force them to learn. If they enjoy learning, it will be the best in their future. They can do anything with ease.
I wanted to do something for the nation, but of course, बहुत large scale पे we are not able to at times. But here I could opt for this, and we are trying to build up future of the nation by giving foundation to our children.
और हमें बहुत हेल्प मिलती है इससे, क्योंकि हमारे एकेडमिक जो हैं सपोर्ट वो बहुत अच्छा होता है एंड हमेशा कुछ नया हमारे एकेडमिक सपोर्ट को मिलता है. दैट इज़ वाई हमारे पेरेंट्स अभी सुपर हैप्पी हैं और वो बहुत ही खुश रहते हैं कि विद द एकेडमिक सपोर्ट जो हम उनको दे पाते हैं, एंड वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है जो हम अपने पेरेंट्स को सेटिस्फाई कर पाते हैं.
I am so happy to be a part of Little Millennium. I'm really thankful to God for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Team Little Millennium, for giving us such an opportunity so that we can provide our kids with a channelized pattern, which is really very important at this tender age, and give them the best development for their future to make it best for them. Thank you.